today's tech tip video, we'll take a look at how to use silhouette entities. Silhouette entities allows us to create outlines of bodies and put them into sketches. You can find it in the Tools dropdown, Sketch Tools, and Silhouette Entities. Or I have it accessed up here at the top and already saved it. So I'm going to go ahead and start a sketch on my top plane, then come over here and access my Silhouette Entities tool. It's going to ask us what entities to create the silhouette for, and I'm just going to choose one of the bodies. You'll see that it selects the entire body. I'm going to go ahead and choose the other body here as well. Now there's an option there that has the external silhouette option turned on. To take a look at what it's done, I'm going to hide my bodies, and looking at the sketch, it created an outline of the two bodies I've selected. So to go back to that option, let me go ahead and exit my sketch, and I'll go ahead and create a new silhouette entities on a new sketch plane. Come back to my silhouette entities tool. In here, I'll select both of those items, and I'm going to uncheck the option for external silhouette. If I do so, it's going to observe any internal contours and create them for us. And in this case, I have one, which is the circle cut out in the middle of my propeller here, and you can see it recorded it. This tool is also helpful for when you need to create outlines of bodies at an odd angle. So I have a sketch plane I created, and I'll go ahead and show my body here. And you can see here that it's at an unconventional angle, but I still want to create the outline for this. So I'll start a sketch on the reference plane. Then I'll come over to using the Silhouette Entities tool, select both bodies again, and click OK. And you can see that it created the Silhouette Entities again perfectly.